to answer your question, what is my preference on using recipes for cookbook or stuff online? And can you explain your preference, your reasonings, right? I don't. I create recipes. I innovate recipes. I'm that kind of person. I don't do that. I mean, when I was younger, when I first started out as a culinarian, I was into, making the recipes, so I understood how they worked and how to, get that result, the end result. But that was also in training with other chefs. But at the end of it, you want to be able to learn your cooking methods. So, I mean, I know a lot of people out there, they don't have the time to learn the fundamentals, so they just go online and copy from other people because they want some new excitement, when in fact they should just practice at home. But again, a lot of people live busy lives. I get it. But my preference is, which you're not going to like, creating recipes. That's my preference. And then collaborating with other chefs. So when I'm working with other chefs, we get to put ingredients right in front of us. I'll show you like a picture right here. This is what my friend and I did. We put ingredients in front of us and we started creating, new stuff for, up and coming dinners. It's just, this is how a lot of, talented and skilled chefs, do things. This is our norm. Reading online, that's not my thing. I'll be honest with you, I don't actually look at food blogs. I don't care to look at Instagram, pictures. My friends show me, they share them to me, they throw it into my DMs in Instagram, but I generally don't care. But if my friend's excited about it and they want to, try it out and do this, yeah, sure, I'm down for it. But I barely look into that information. I generally don't care. I more care about spending time with my friends that have like-minded individuals. That's my preference. I like to collaborate because that's more fun than looking at other recipes. Because I believe, and this is just my mindset, is that, if you look at other stuff online, you taint your mind for your own creativity and your own curiosity of what if this works out. I'd rather find the answer my way than looking online, because chances are, if you're hanging out with a lot of your friends that are also chefs, they're already doing all that research and they're going to share information. Because just like any profession you go into, you learn a heck of a lot of stuff at the beginning. It's all this new information. It can be kind of overwhelming, and then as you get more skilled over time, you get little bits and pieces of information, and you only hear new things once in a while. And that's just how I look at it. So what I will do is, when I look online and someone's looking for cuisine for a catering or some sort of anniversary or something that I'm doing, and I haven't worked with that cuisine, nor do I really care about cuisines because it's just really an ingredient. I just look at what's the ingredients that cuisine or region uses, and then I make recipes from that. And funny enough, what ends up happening is, this tastes exactly how I grew up with my mother or my father or my family were making it. And it's like, cool, that's awesome. But to me, I'm like, again, I don't really care as much. Yeah, so I hope that helps you out. I'm Chef Nicolas again. Don't forget to click the like button. I know it's not always something you like to hear. This is the truth, how some chefs are. And if you haven't already, subscribe. It's kind of like a follow, right? That's how you support me and help me out or whatever. To show that, I'm giving you value. If not, just leave it as is. Anyway, peace.